Hey everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. Today we're going to make homemade burgers, right from scratch. I'm going to grind the meat myself and everything else. I'll show you what I do, and show you how I'm going to do it. You guys can do it however you want to do it. Well, before we get into this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Let's get going. Let's take a look at what we got. Okay, here we are. We have a cross rib roast and homemade bacon. Well, I'm going to go ahead and cube up the cross rib roast, get that all ready for the grinder. And then we're going to grind it up with the bacon, mix it together. I'm probably going to season the cubes that I grind, or before I grind. I'm just going to be seasoning with SPG, nothing fancy. So let me get that all set up and we'll pick back up then. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've cubed all the meat up, as you can see. Now I'm going to season it up with SPG and go put it outside, because it's nice and cold outside. We'll let it chill for a bit before I grind it. We'll pick back up in a little bit. Okay, I've gone ahead and mixed the SPG in. I've also cubed up the bacon and mixed the bacon in there as well. Now I'm going to go put it to chill so it grinds up easier. We'll pick back up when I'm ready to grind some. Okay, here we go. Let's start grinding some meat. Let's turn it on. There we go. Let's get some of this beef and bacon grinded up now. And we can start making burgers. There we go, we got it coming through now. Nice. I don't want to bore you guys too much with the grinding process, just showing you that I'm grinding it all up nice, getting it ready for forming some patties. We'll pick back up in a little bit once I have everything all grinded up. Okay, so we've got all of our meat grinded up. Very nice. So I've decided I'm going to do smash burgers outside on the Pit Boss using my Lodge cast iron griddle plate. So I'm going to just make balls with the meat and then we're going to smash them down outside. These nice beef and bacon burgers. Maybe like that. I'm not weighing them out. Sorry if I don't know if you can see that. Maybe that size. I'm not going to weigh them out. I'm just going to make them all roughly the same size. Let me get these made and we'll pick back up outside. Okay, so we're outside on the Pit Boss now. Let's see what we're looking at here. Got the Lodge cast iron griddle plate there. Tap on it right now. And we're reading into the 600, 700 range. We're reading into the 6. Showing an error code every once in a while just because I've had it outside for a little bit and it's gotten cold now. That's what we're reading at. Let me close that for 2 seconds. Let's smash a burger on here now. There we go. Smash this thing down. I use a frying pan for smashing because I don't have a burger smasher per se, but this works just fine as a burger smasher, as you can see. I'll just hold it there for a couple of seconds. Good. Look at that. It's probably the first smash burger done on a Pit Boss using a griddle plate. Well, I'm going to let this go. Give you a quick little look. There we flip this over, probably about a minute or so. We'll pick back up. Should be ready to flip this thing. Nice and hot. Cheese on it. There we go. Now, because it's pit boss, I can do this. Hey, the cheese is gonna melt now. Well, we'll pick back up when I get this in the house. Oh, there you have it. That's done. Cheese is melted. Nice. I'm going to pull it off now and take it in the house. We'll pick back up in there. Okay, there you have it. That's a smash burger done outside on the Pit Boss. There's our smashed cheeseburger there. Got a bun. Already got some mayo on it. Let's get the burger on the bun. Look at that. Burger's bigger than the bun. That's alright. I'm just a plain type of guy. I just like ketchup and mayo on it. That's it. Crown it off. There we go. Let's cut it open. See what we got there. There you have it. Well, let's get you turned around, get you up for a taste. Now here we go. Burger. That's really good. You really taste the bacon in there. Delicious. Well, hit the subscribe button if you guys want to see some more like this. I'll have more content coming for you soon. Bye, guys.